Hello everyone, welcome to Kotha. Today we are diving into an important question. Is AI a threat to programmers? Or AI can be a powerful tool to us to utilize? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the fear that AI might replace programmers. AI is advancing quickly and tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Gemini and other AI-powered assistants can now write code and even debug it. But does that mean programmers will be out of a job? Not exactly. AI can automate repetitive tasks but still lacks the ability to fully understand complex business logic, creativity, or the human touch required for larger projects. Listen, programming is not just about writing code, it's about problem solving, collaboration, and thinking critically. AI can't yet replace the institution and decision making required by human programmers. So rather than seeing AI as a threat, think of it as a productivity tool. AI is transforming programming by helping developers write code faster, debug more efficiently, and even learn new languages. For example, AI powered code auto-completion tools like GitHub Copilot suggest code snippets while you are typing based on your context. And it's very helpful. It saves time and helps avoid errors. Plus, AI tools can review and optimize code to ensure it runs efficiently. So, how can you make AI work for you as a programmer? Here are three ways to utilize AI in your coding workflow. Number 1. Code auto-completion. Code like Copilot and Kite provide real-time code suggestions, helping you write code faster and fewer mistakes. Number 2. Debugging assistance. AI-powered tools can find and fix bugs by scanning your code for common errors, making debugging much quicker. Number 3. Learning new languages. AI can help you transition to new programming languages by providing real-time example and suggestion as you code. As AI continues to develop, the role of programmers will evolve too. Programmers will likely spend less time on tedious, repetitive tasks and more time on creative problem solving, architecture design, and collaborating with AI. Remember, AI is just a tool. It cannot replace the deep understanding, innovation, and human insight that real programmers bring to the table. So, AI a threat? No, it's an opportunity. Use it wisely and you will unlock a new level of productivity in your coding journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Code Kotha for more programming insights. See you next time.